Hello everyone, so this is Sneha this side from ITM Skills University and Let's Update. So today we have someone very special with us and I am personally excited to actually introduce them to you all. First of all, since we have started with guest lectures and industry experts coming to the campus and taking sessions, this is the first time we have a female candidate for the same, and I am personally excited to have a word with you. So, instead of me giving the whole introduction, we have Tanvi Shah today with us, and I would want you to give your brief introduction from actually there are many things that are going to come ahead from having a past with ITM and to actually becoming a women's tech makers ambassador. So I would want you to give a brief introduction about your journey.
For sure, for sure. I was a student at ITM Vocational University of the batch 2016-2020. Seeing the same logo here, it feels very good. It feels maybe a different place, but it feels very familiar and feels more proud of yourself. I have been, if you're asking from the college to the ambassador journey, career journey. So it's been a lot in between. I have been a part of communities since 2017 with GDG and WTM. So basically, I am from Baroda. So I have been part of communities with GDG Baroda and WTM Baroda. I have started with attending meetups, being a part of it, knowing each people there, networking with people from industry experts, because this is the great work done here for the first year students in the university itself. We had to go out. That was a different thing. All that, and also I'm doing a job right now. I'm software developer. I'm working at WebMobi Technologies for 3+ years of experience. Elaborating about Women Tech Makers journey, I am an ambassador now, which is a part of GDG, Google Developers Group. So I have started with basically with like attending the meetups, being contributing to it. I said I was good at writing and communicating part. So I used to handle social media profiles, write a blogs of the event happened, description of the event, all that on the websites. So I used to do that, and then I used to attend different events, not only at my place but at the nearby places, because there might be different people, different tech, different knowledge you can get from them, right? So I attended nearby Defest Ahmedabad, Gandhinagar, all that. I have met lot of people there, lot of networking sessions and all that. So yeah, then I started with giving presentations, giving talks. You have to do the first thing, opportunity, which I've already talked about. So I've started with that and started giving talks if I had the opportunity, if I was eligible and all that. Then I had the Women Developers Academy. That is a part of from the WTM to guide the women developers, to enhance them with like presentation skill, communication skill, all, and the regular parts. So I have done that, graduated from there, and then I applied for the Women Tech Makers Ambassador, and I was qualified. So I feel grateful. I worked with various leads of GDG, WTM Baroda. So I was also grateful because that was the initial part I got, and I got a lot of boost from
So
there.
networking was the main thing that helped you from a graduate to an ambassador.
Very, very first thing and very foremost, because I have met, as I mentioned, I have been at NG India. I've met a lot of people there. So lot of people, they were already at the, and I always mostly been a part as a volunteer. Being an attendee, I have attended before. Then I tried to be a volunteer, because when you're a volunteer, when you're part of the crew, when you're part of the organizing team, you get to know the inner members there.
Right.
What the scenario is actually, because same thing, you are studying in the college, you are in the market, it's the same thing. You are an attendee, you are actually in the organizing team. So you know actually how the thing is working, how the thing is going. So people get to know what I do, I get to know what they do. We connect, we pass ideas. So that lead to the aspiration thing. You influence, they want that you can teach people, you can guide, pass on the knowledge. That's the main thing.
Main thing.
Being ambassador for whatsoever, you are going to pass on that knowledge. what you are ambassador for.
You want people to be influenced with what exactly you do and be motivated with what exactly. That is what ambassadorship means, like, right?
Okay, yes, obviously. I want to also say one word. I don't think, I guess influence might not be the wrong word, but I just want to tell that passing on the knowledge, like
Passing on the knowledge.
passing on the knowledge. You know, when people see you, when people identify you, because sometimes I go to the different tech, I might not know the people,
Right.
but they come to me and they have said that I have seen you in that event. I've seen in the LinkedIn post. So you know, you find that हाँ ठीक है, people लोग देख रहे हैं, they know you are visible, so you get a chance then.
Got that. ITM Vocational University वडोदरा का जो यूनिवर्सिटी है, you did your computer science engineering from there.
Yes.
And coming back after so long to the same university but different location, and you see how the campus is totally different from that one. So what do you think that change in the campus and the change with the way we are giving out, students privilege of networking and everything, तो उसका impact आगे जाके future में ये tech leaders पे कैसे रहेगा?
Okay, first of all, मैं ये बोलना चाहूँगी कि I have studied from ITM Vocational University and coming back to the same institution, even at different place, it feels so good. You know, आप achieve करते हो different place, you don't feel that emotion which you feel here. And I also met seniors here, so it was also different. Like that's a different thing. You feel like you have achieved. पता है you when you come back home,
Yeah.
you know, you go to international thing, you win sports, and you come back home.
Yeah.
That's the feeling. You understand it now.
You
That's
had
the thing.
interaction with these students today.
Yes.
What kind of energy you felt with them? Like, you have taken many sessions, you've interacted with many.
Yes.
Them being in their first year, what kind of difference have you seen in them?
That I would like to really address it. Students are very like the first thing, they are very active and being the part of different events. That's the, I guess that's the best thing I liked about here, because when I did my bachelor's, when I studied, we had the opportunity, but not this frequently. You know, every week or
Right.
every month or आज यहाँ और डिफरेंस आता है, बहुत डिफरेंस होता है. You know, I have studied for 4 years, but तुम्हें मार्केट वैल्यू उतना नहीं पता.
नहीं
Actually
पता.
तुम्हें क्या करना है? You might have studied something, some tech or something very proficient, but वो actually मार्केट में पता ही नहीं कैसे यूज करना है. But when this institution is going parallelly with the curriculum, with the market experts, market industries, so that's a very good balance, and I like it. It's a very good thing. Before coming here, I also seen the profiles, LinkedIn profiles,
Of the
social.
students.
Yes, really too much. I got the network. I got them with.
They got to know that you are actually about to come. They were like, okay, LinkedIn में जाके सबसे पहले we have to do networking
I like the process. Requests आती हैं, like when we go to events, there are things. Like वो knowledge like it get out. People connect.
Right.
But it was a good thing. You know, you're getting line things. People are interested in कौन आ रहा है,
कौन आ
इससे
रहा
क्या
है.
सीखना है,
Right.
कौन आ रहा है इस डिफरेंट. ठीक है, वो भी है, बट यू नो इसके प्रोफाइल में क्या है, इनको क्या पूछ सकते हैं, क्या सीख सकते हैं. दे ऑल हैड द थिंग, यू नो, आपके प्रोफाइल में ये था,
हाँ.
इससे क्या मतलब है, what does that mean for you? I got the 2 questions from
Regarding
during the
the LinkedIn
session.
profile.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. So that's the active part कि हाँ उनको पता है कि हाँ ये करना है, ऐसे किया है, इन्होंने किया है, हम करेंगे, किस तरह करेंगे. So they get the idea.
The curiosity,
The
just
curiosity.
that thing is very important. आप एक प्रोफाइल को देखो,
Obviously.
curious हो जाओ कि भाई हाँ इन्होंने क्या क्या किया है. I want to know to go on the same path.
Obviously.
So
वहाँ से you know you just jump into opportunities and then go ahead.
Right. Again, I mean, even I have been through your profile for the same.
Sure.
So there is this one line you wrote, to explore is to live. For many people, I mean, personally for me, to exploring is to, go to places, learn about different cultures and all. So what is that explore for you?
If you go through my profile on Twitter, LinkedIn, whatever, to explore is to live, you will find that line too. You will find breaking the stereotypes line.
Yes.
uh, what I feel is even the tiniest change, but I need the change than the routine. कहीं पे भी कुछ छोटा सा भी गैदरिंग है, घर पे है, ये है, वो है, explore in the scene. I would say, I have already mentioned it before in the session too. It particularly goes with my family, with my where I came from.
Your roots,
Roots, because I have already mentioned, I have seen the profile people, you have visited CEOs, CTOs, you have gained knowledge from there, which have flourished markets. So even I find myself very good. I have, matlab, better than yesterday. Right? So वैसे went through all of that. Explore. I like to travel. मतलब even if I tell my parents I'm going there, travel मुझे बहुत पसंद है. Maybe explore 50% of explore goes to my travel. बाकी explore, you can say explore, I'm doing things together, multidisciplinary, going to people, events, writing. I write blogs. Even at my college time, I had a blog, whattanvithinks.blogspot.com. If I read it now, I literally laugh at it. It was so good. I had Google AdSense approved on it.
But you know, those are the things. Even if now we go and look at our, even I have these notes and all. I have ki, pehle I used to write notes about my daily things and all. I read it and like, yaar, kya hi likha hai ye cheez? But those things actually give you the habit of writing, having that. You are a great speaker, first of all. So all these small things make you those habit, and these things like being a great speaker, it is one of those things that help you to
I used to publish that blog every Friday. I used to pick up something, some topic, some tech, also related to tech, and I used to publish it. I used to broadcast it.
Is it still active now? Is it still active? Okay, we have
people used to broadcast it. Friends used to read. कैसा लगा? I used to take feedback.
कैसा लगा? Read it now.
All that. I did.
Got that. And you are a software developer, software engineer, and also you are playing a role of women tech makers ambassador. So how do you balance these two roles together?
देखो, women tech makers ambassador is a part of community. Is a part of GDG community, enhancing women in tech. और मैंने ये देखा है. I like the thing about here, यहाँ पे girls बहुत एक्टिव थी, boys उतने ही एक्टिव थे, but girls उतनी ही थी, तो I liked it. I have been at various events. पहले तो उतना रेशियो ही नहीं होता कहीं पे भी. You and that's natural. I'm not
natural, right?
That's natural. ठीक है, natural है. But then still girls are not that active. मतलब शायद थोड़ा hesitate करती हैं पूछने में ये वो. But I got a very good vibe here. Like people are very active. हाँ ठीक है, ये आपने ये कैसे किया, आपने वो कैसे किया. So that was good. And all related to that, women tech makers. हाँ, तो community वाला part. तो वो Saturday Sundays events होते हैं, ये वो. अब Saturday Sunday घर पे बैठो या फिर event में जाओ. I like to meet people. I like to socialize. I like to go out, learn new things, explore करना, देखना. क्या कर रहे हैं, मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ
उससे.
Same thing.
Any advice for these young women who plan to aspire their career in a field? Normally it is said ki all the tech related fields, be it from mechanics to civil to actually even tech industry, all these engineering fields are mainly male dominant. So what are your advice to these women to actually be like कि नहीं करना है तुम्हें, तुम कर सकते हो उसमें. So
first of all, that statement is not wrong. As an ambassador, I have went at various places. We have organized IWD for many years, and उसमें भी तुम्हें लड़के ही ज़्यादा देखेंगे. होता है. It happens. Even if we try to like do various things, try to pull them, try to engage them, still you find that way.
But hesitant.
ठीक है. I'll tell you. ठीक है. But उसमें you yourself have to be active.
Right.
You yourself have to be active. मतलब male dominance है, ये सोच के चलोगे तो it won't change.
Right.
If you think you can do it, I already mentioned flaw होते हैं, flaws होते हैं, nothing is flawless.
Right.
So that's okay. If you make mistake, people laugh, that's okay. नहीं हंसते, in my journey I have find men very supportive throughout, क्योंकि मुझे बहुत बहुत जगह पे इवेंट्स पे I have been with people का जहाँ पे कुछ काम होता है या फिर सपोर्ट चाहिए होता है, कुछ स्पीकिंग में ये वो, हर जगह सपोर्ट होता है. एंड बीइंग अ वुमेन यू विल श्योर, मतलब ऐसा नहीं है, मिलता है बायस सपोर्ट मिलता है, बट यू हैव टू स्टैंड एंड गेट कि हाँ मुझे चाहिए,
Exactly.
तुम्हें मिलेगा. आई हैव फाइंड इन माई जर्नी कि लोग सामने से दे वांट कि आप आगे आओ, आप करो. ऐसा है ही नहीं कि वो नहीं चाहते कि उनका डोमिनेंस हो, वो होता ही नहीं है. बट देन यू हैव टू जस्ट स्टैंड अप, आस्क फॉर इट.
You have to actually stand up and be like कि नहीं, I want to do.
हाँ, I want to do. नहीं आता, पूछो कैसे करना है, I will do it. आप just बताओ कैसे करना है. Then you have to do it. No one will spoon feed you, but they can give you the spoon. Like that.
Your thoughts on networking with people? You've already done networking. These students are doing so. How impactful it is in their career life along with their academics?
See, networking is very, very important. From my journey, what I have been through in form of job or community or as an ambassador, that's a part of networking. When you do networking, what happens? People, you share knowledge.
Right.
Share knowledge is a one thing. People know you. You somewhere get highlighted कि ये बंदा interested है.
Right.
जानने में,
वो एक छप जाता है इमेज उसके बारे में दिमाग में कि this person was curious.
If people अब यहाँ पे सेशन में बैठे थे, I have seen 5 faces constantly smiling at me. They were literally हाँ ठीक है, ये अच्छा है. They wanted to, and I have seen people सेशन के बाद भी they wanted to interact.
Yeah.
That was a good part. वहाँ भी उन्होंने क्वेश्चंस पूछे, ये अलग से भी they were like अच्छा आपने ये किया था, ये कैसे, वो कैसे. Networking is very important. If you are in terms of startups, business, you need networks, right? Other than that, also it's very good part. If you want, देखो, job people does. आजकल ऐसा भी है कि सिर्फ communities पे people, they are having their
whole career
is on community.
Right,
their whole career is in community.
Right.
Developer advocates, yeah, certain profiles are there. तो वो तो पूरा तुम्हारा करियर ही उस पे बेस्ड है.
राइट.
यू आर फ्रॉम टेक रिलेटेड ही है, पर तुम्हारा पूरा उस पे बेस्ड ही
उसी पे है. We had people coming like that कि उनका other than community and community work, there is no other thing.
That's the thing. I know all that people. That's why I'm saying you. So वहाँ पे तो कितना important है networking.
Right.
So related to all that, how you want to proceed, how you want to go. Networking is important.
You had started networking since 2017, 2018, right?
Yes.
And by that time, even your graduation was, bachelorate degree was going on, right?
Yes.
So how did you manage your curricular activities as well, these networking part as well? And उसी के साथ साथ आपका academics भी.
Okay. See, again I would like to say that weekend and मैं तब भी करती थी, तब event जाती थी, अब college जाती हूँ. See. I would like to say that was a very parallel thing क्योंकि कॉलेज में हम पढ़ते थे. यहाँ it's a very very vast, very broad kind of thing which we also had at ITM Vocational University. We had chapters of CSE, all that we had, but it was not this active. So when we were introduced to all that communities outside, we were really attracted and we wanted to know कैसे होता है क्या. And you won't like believe, but we have literally attended every meetup in the starting phase कि ठीक है, क्योंकि उनके पास कुछ नया नया होता है कि आज ये कोर्स आया है, आज ये है, तो they have a person doing it, then they call people, मतलब वो फिर बाहर इवेंट होता है ये वो. So we literally have attended all the sessions, meetups, जाते थे लैपटॉप्स लेके, नेटवर्क सब करके, and we used to do that. And वापस कॉलेज में आके academics was good, we did it, it was happening. As an engineering, academics
करना था, वो
happens.
करना ही था, मतलब वो एक बार हो गया, but main focus was like networking and meeting people.
Yes.
Got that. And just wanted to know, like, you are in a good phase right now, an engineer, developer, you are also an ambassador. How do you keep yourself updated with, you know, these technological trends that जो fast pace में technology बढ़ रही है, how do you keep yourself updated?
See, on this question, I would like to say, आप अगर एक टेक पे वर्क कर रहे हो एज ए स्टूडेंट या एज ए प्रोफेशन वॉट एवर, सो यू हैव टू बी अपडेटेड फॉर
Yeah,
श्योर
yeah.
कि मार्केट में क्या है, मे बी वर्जन्स, मे बी क्या नया है उस वर्जन में, वॉट एवर, बट यू माइट नॉट वर्क ऑन ऑल ऑफ देम.
Right.
राइट, यू
At
हैव
least for the knowledge, उसके बारे में पता
नॉलेज
है.
होना चाहिए कि मार्केट में क्या नया है, क्या कंपैरिजन है, व्हाट यू
Right.
आर वर्किंग, मे बी द ट्रेडिशनल मेथड, तो नया जो है, जो एक्चुअली मॉडर्न है, क्या डिफरेंस है, क्या है, सो दैट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड. बट ऑब्वियसली यू वोंट वर्क ऑन एवरी पार्ट ऑफ इट. सो आई वुड से कि यू हैव टू बी अपडेटेड, यू हैव टू नो ऑल ऑफ इट कि क्या चल रहा है, कैसे है. बट जो आपका फॉर्मेट है उसमें भी आप वो तो कंटिन्यू करो ही करो, एंड देन गेट इम्प्रोवाइज्ड ऑफ इट. अभी जैसे डिफरेंट पार्ट्स है, टेक में फ्रंट एंड बैक एंड, ये
Right.
फ्रंट एंड में भी मेनी अदर डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ फ्रेमवर्क्स,
Right.
टैग्स.
Right.
तो उसमें आप अगर फ्रंट एंड में हो तो दूसरे में जाओगे तो इट्स नॉट दैट फिजिबल. कर सकते हैं, फुल स्टैक डेवलपर्स भी होते हैं,
हाँ.
एंड दे आर वेरी आउट इन द मार्केट, मर्न डेवलपर, मीन डेवलपर्स. So yeah, this all goes together. You have to be updated with the things and go with your coding, go with your software, building the things, solving the problems for the society and all that.
Any advice for these students to stay updated with the same?
I guess they already have this knowledge, this network, knowing people's story live. So that's very good. They already, I have got to know that they have built low code, no code things in the very first year. That's very
Yeah.
good. That's very
First
good.
semester itself.
I listen. I asked about that, so that was very good. I like the part the most. So being updated, they are. I want to say that they are going good. Similarly, they can improve. Improve in that. I already mentioned like Hacktoberfest, GSOC, GSOD. They are just a part. But उससे सीख सकते हो. GitHub
Right.
profiles उन सबकी है. GitHub profiles है. I also checked out.
Okay.
I've seen.
Okay,
I've seen
okay.
profiles. I've seen. तो वो सब है. तो अभी अगर if your focus is actually coding, software, what you are doing right now, tech, तो आप उस पे improve कर सकते हो. आपने low code, no code किया, you can go with the coding, little
Right.
bit of it,
Yeah.
maybe the easy stack,
Yeah.
then go for the frameworks, libraries, all that one by one. So that, what you are doing right now is good. You can be better.
Got that. Thank you so much. It was a great session. I was actually very excited, you know, today. I was like, yeah, finally I have this one woman coming, and that too, she is an ambassador for tech makers, women tech makers. So this was so very exciting today to meet you, and I swear I loved your vibe. Thank you so much,
Thank you
ma'am.
so
Thank you so
much.
much, ma'am.